Hey there, and welcome to Healthy Wallet. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stumbled upon this channel. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing the 11 best penny stocks to buy now, which could be a great options for those who are just starting out in the stock market. As you watch this video, make sure to take notes and do your own research before making any investment decisions. And if you find this video helpful, please support us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay up to date on the newest news in the stock market and never miss another video. Before we dive into the list of the top 11 penny stocks to consider buying this year, let's take a quick look at how we came up with this list. In order to identify the best penny stocks, we looked for profitable businesses that were priced under $5. We also focused on businesses with a bullish market sentiment and a robust product pipeline. We analyzed Insider Monkey's database of 920 hedge funds as of Q3 of 2022 to help rank the top penny stocks. We've listed each stock's analyst ratings, hedge fund sentiment, and key characteristics that make it a good investment choice. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the top penny stocks to consider buying this year. Number 11, Muscle Maker Incorporated. Muscle Maker is a restaurant chain that offers a variety of food and drinks to customers in the United States. In December 2022, the company's developing Hawaiian poke bowl restaurant concept, Pokemoto, signed its first franchise contract in Northern California. This marks a significant milestone in the brand's expansion, as it will now be available in 16 states. At the close of Q3 of 2022, one hedge fund held stakes in Muscle Maker Incorporated, with a total value of $98,000. While this penny stock is considered riskier compared to larger companies such as Apple and Amazon.com, it presents the potential for future substantial benefits. As of December 20th, the share price of Muscle Maker was 85 cents, and on February 16th, it rose to $1.16. Number 10, Sunworks Incorporated. Sunworks is a penny stock that investors should consider buying now. Sunworks offers solar energy plant development and operation services. As of February 16, 2023, the share price was $2.05. Sunworks recently announced earnings for the third quarter of 2022, with a revenue of $40.71 million, a 30.4% increase from the same period the year before. The company also had $14.5 million in cash at the end of third quarter of 2022, which it can use for expansion. On December 12, EF Hutton analyst Tim Moore gave Sunworks a buy rating with a $5 price target, citing the acquisition of Celsius, which expanded the company's sales to more lucrative residential consumers. At the end of the third quarter, 5 hedge funds had a bullish position in Sunworks, holding shares worth about $2.5 million. Citadel Investment Group was the largest shareholder, with a position worth $1.3 million. Number 9, Bionanogenomics Incorporated. Bionanogenomics is a San Diego-based biotechnology company that offers a genomic DNA analysis platform, which makes it one of the top penny stocks to buy now. Bionanogenomics stock was priced at $1.57 per share on February 16. The acquisition of Purigen Biosystems is expected to help the company increase its sample preparation portfolio capabilities and create an end-to-end solution for the adoption of optical genome mapping, OGM. BTIG analyst Mark Massaro started covering Bionanogenomics Incorporated in December, giving the stock a buy rating and a $3.50 price target. The company was in 7 hedge funds portfolios at the end of the third quarter of 2022, with a total stake value of $5.5 million. Number 8, Sorrento Therapeutics Incorporated. Sorrento Therapeutics is a biopharmaceutical company that trades at 22 cents per share, making it one of the best penny stocks to buy now. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, recently granted permission to the company to initiate clinical trials with its next-generation mRNA vaccine against Omicron variants, making this a promising development. On November 2, Cantor Fitzgerald analyst Brandon Folks began covering Sorrento Therapeutics and assigned the company an overweight rating with a $5 price target. Folks believes that the company has the potential to produce many best-in-class products in oncology, pain, and infectious diseases. In the third quarter of 2022, D.E. Shaw was the company's leading stakeholder, owning roughly $7.9 million in Sorrento Therapeutics Incorporated. Insider Monkey tracked 10 hedge funds with stakes in the company, which held a total value of over $13.9 million, up from 6 hedge funds in the previous quarter. Number 7, Ring Energy Incorporated. Ring Energy is a company that focuses on the exploration and production of oil and natural gas in the United States. As one of the top penny stocks to buy, the company has been posting positive results, with a Q3 2022 EPS of 28 cents, which exceeded market expectations by 4 cents. Its revenue for the period was $94.4 million, which is a substantial increase of 91.2% compared to the revenue over the same period the previous year. Ring Energy's focus is on the Permian and Mid-Continent regions of the United States. In the third quarter of 2022, Two Sigma Advisors was the company's leading stakeholder, owning approximately $4.1 million worth of shares. As of February 16, the share price was $2.25, and the company was part of 10 hedge fund portfolios, with a total combined stake value of over $12.2 million. Number 6, Canoo Incorporated. Canoo is an electric vehicle company that specializes in rental services for cars, minibuses, and commercial vehicles. As of February 16, the company's share price is trading at $0.90 per share. In last November, Canoo's CEO, Tony Aquila, bought 4.5 million shares of the company's common stock for $5.0 million, which resulted in a double-digit gain for Canoo's shares. Despite RF Lafferty analyst Jamie Perez slashing Canoo's price target to $6 from $15, the analyst still reiterated a buy rating on the shares. By the end of the third quarter, Canoo was part of 12 hedge fund portfolios, with consolidated stakes worth $3.4 million, down from $7.2 million the previous quarter. Canoo Incorporated is being closely monitored by elite hedge funds, similar to Apple Incorporated, Colgate-Palmolive Company, and Amazon Incorporated. Number 5, GGERN Corporation. GGERN Corporation is a biotechnology company that focuses on developing cancer-treating drugs. Its drugs block telomerase, and the company is one of the best penny stocks to invest in. The revenue of GGERN Corporation in the third fiscal quarter was $0.3 million, a 172.7% increase from the same period last year. Wedbush analyst Robert Driscoll initiated coverage of GGERN Corporation on October 28 with an outperform rating and a $5 price target. The analyst expects that the ongoing Phase 3 research in lower-risk myelodysplastic syndrome, LRMDS, will produce encouraging top-line findings in early 2023. RA Capital Management is currently the largest shareholder in GGERN Corporation with a stake worth more than $70.5 million. The company has 16 hedge fund holders as of the latest record. Number 4, Clover Health Investments, Corp. Clover Health Investments, Corp. is a physician enablement company based in Franklin, Tennessee. As of February 16, the stock is trading at $1.20 per share, slightly higher than its share price of $1.06 on December 20. Given its strong balance sheet, Clover Health Investments has the potential to grow earnings in the long term. In August 2022, the company reported a revenue of $856.8 million for the third quarter, showing a 100.6% increase compared to the same period the previous year. However, Jason Casorla, an analyst at Citi, decreased his price target on the stock from $3.50 to $1.80 on November 16, maintaining a neutral recommendation. The number of hedge funds holding stakes in Clover Health Investments, Corp. Increased to 17 in the third quarter of 2022 from 11 in the previous quarter, with the collective value of these stakes amounting to almost $19.7 million. Number 3, ARDX Incorporated. ARDX Incorporated, a biopharmaceutical company, is considered one of the best penny stocks to invest in due to its recent progress. As of February 16, the share price is $3.04. On November 17, ARDX's shares surged by 40% after the FDA advisory panel approved Tenofovir as a treatment for renal disease. Piper Sandler analyst Christopher Raymond upgraded the company's stock to overweight from neutral with a $8 price target. As per Insider Monkey's data, ARDX was a part of 19 hedge fund portfolios in the third quarter of 2022. The stakes owned by these hedge funds have a total value of over $42.4 million, with Deep Track Capital being the company's leading stakeholder. With its recent approval and support from hedge funds, ARDX Incorporated is a penny stock to watch. Number 2, Pitney Bowes Inc. Pitney Bowes Incorporated is a company that provides shipping, global e-commerce logistics, mailing, and financial services. With a customer base of around 750,000 globally, it is among the top penny stocks to invest in. The company has a stable financial standing and potential for growth in the long term. In November 2022, Pitney Bowes declared a quarterly dividend of 5 cents per share, maintaining the same level as before. The dividend yield on December 20th was 5.19%, making it an attractive option for investors seeking regular income. As of the end of the third quarter of 2022, 22 hedge funds held stakes in Pitney Bowes Incorporated, with a total value of $35.7 million. D.E. Shaw is currently the largest investor in the company, with a position worth $10 million as of November 22. With its strong position in the mailing and logistics industry, Pitney Bowes has the potential to grow its business and increase shareholder value in the coming years. Number 1, Gossamer Bio Incorporated. Gossamer Bio is a leading penny stock that is attracting interest from elite hedge funds due to its potential for developing treatments for inflammation, immunology, and oncology-related diseases. The company is currently trading at $2.30 per share, making it an affordable investment option for many. Despite H.C. Wainwright analyst Patrick Trucchio lowering his price target for Gossamer Bio stock to $5 from $25 on December 8 due to disappointing results from a Phase 2 study, the stock is still considered one of the best penny stocks to invest in. According to Insider Monkey, the number of hedge funds holding stakes in Gossamer Bio increased to 33 in the third quarter of 2022, with the total value of these stakes amounting to nearly $401 million. This makes it a high-risk, high-reward investment option for those willing to take on the risk. In conclusion, penny stocks can be an attractive investment option for those seeking potentially high returns at a low cost. However, it's important to do your research before investing in any penny stock. While these stocks may offer a lot of potential, they can also be risky and volatile. One of the most important things to consider when investing in penny stocks is the company's financial stability and long-term growth potential. It's also important to pay attention to any recent news or developments that may impact the company's future prospects. As always, it's important to diversify your investments and not put all your money into one stock. Consider building a well-rounded investment portfolio that includes a mix of penny stocks and more established companies. If you do decide to invest in penny stocks, remember that it's important to have a long-term perspective and not get too caught up in short-term fluctuations in the stock price. With patience and a good strategy, penny stocks can potentially offer strong returns over time. As a reminder, investing in penny stocks can be risky and may not be suitable for all investors. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this information helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more investing tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.